Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Well, today I met one of my neighbors and I got some apples, lots of apples, and I'm going to be making apple butter. So there's more of it here. And they smell delicious. I wish somebody asked, somebody commented the other day that he wished that we had smell-o-vision on the stuff that I'm making. And let me tell you, these apples smell, they're so fresh. They were just picked. And they smell so wonderful. It's like going to an apple farm. It's just a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. These are an exotic apple to California or to the United States. They're from Israel, he said. He grows some exotic things. And I can't wait to see more when I bring him the apple butter. Can't wait. So I'm really excited to show you how to make apple butter. It's really good on toast, with peanut butter, and gosh, anything. I mean, anything you put jam on, you can use apple butter for. It's really good to eat out of the jar too, but I didn't tell you that. So I also got some figs from another neighbor, just a couple, and these are almost ripe. So I'm looking for more figs, and I've got quite a few neighbors that are going to let me know when they have some. I cut open the smallest apple, and because I wanted to taste it, because I've never tasted this variety before, and it is perfect for applesauce or for apple butter. It's going to be delicious. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me. I probably will make it tomorrow or Monday, and the video will be up on Monday. So something I've never done on video before, and I'm going to can it, and I'm going to make as many as I can and give half to my neighbor that gave me the apples, because that's what I like to do. And we'll see how it comes out. I'm sure it'll be delicious. So I will see you guys tomorrow, probably with a different video, and look forward to the new apple butter recipe for canning with Israeli Anna apples. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to comment and hit that like button and subscribe, please, so you know when I'm going to put videos up.